our like rose thorn bud, so, or your zone check, whichever you'd like. So does anybody have a rose thorn bud to share from the weekend or want to share your zone? Go ahead, Michaela. And then Alyssa.
I have a thorn. We were supposed to we were in Conway Friday night. We stayed at a hotel. And then Saturday morning, we were going to go shopping all day. And, my brother cut his foot on the pool.
Oh, no.
Because around the light was, like, super sharp. And he accidentally, like, pushed off of it. And cut his toe right open. Like, the pad of his toe was, like, cut. It was so gross.
Ouch.
And, he couldn't walk on it, so he had to come home, which was a bummer.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So,
I hope his toe's healing up.
It is.
Good. Well, hopefully you had fun while you were at the hotel and until that happened. Better to have gotten away a little bit than not at all, maybe. So, Alyssa?
I have a thorn. I am super tired this morning, and I just don't feel the greatest today.
Oh, okay. Well, I hope you start feeling better. Anybody else have a rose thorn bud? Okay, Leah and Mesa?
I'm in the green zone, but I'm putting it in the chat.
Okay, thank you. Mesa?
I have a thorn. So, a close friend of mine from camp, like from one of my camps, he passed away a while ago, and I just found out, and I'm kind of sad about it now.
Oh, no, I'm so sorry to hear that. You just learned that over the weekend? Oh, did you talk to your parents about that?
Yeah, my aunt told my dad, and then my dad had to tell me.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's really hard to lose friends or lose people that you care about. So thanks for sharing that with us. And I'm really sorry that you're having to go through that right now. And let me know if I can help you in any way, okay? That's sad. Okay. Does anybody else have a rose, thorn, or bud that they'd like to share? Okay, here comes Haley. Hi, Haley.
Hi, sorry, I didn't feel very good.
That's okay. We were just sharing rose, thorn, and bud, and just so you know, I'm recording parts of today for my project that I'm doing, so I just want you to be aware that this part's and other parts are going to be recorded. All right, so last chance. Anybody else have a rose, thorn, or bud that they might want to share? Okay. Sorry, I'm just chatting. Okay, so something that I want to try with us, and I just wanted to kind of share it with you, is I'm hoping that we can try something since it's the beginning of trimester 3. I thought it would be a good time for us to try this other like mindfulness idea that I want to try tomorrow, but I wanted to give you a heads up to start thinking about it today to be prepared. So it's actually called Beginning Anew. And so what it is that, for one thing, part of it is called watering the flowers. Okay. And so the watering the flowers is like a chance for us to say some things to one another to kind of help build each other up. Okay. So just like when you give like a flower water and sunshine, it kind of helps them perk up and grow more. You know, saying positive things to one another or to yourself can really help in that way. So one of the things that I want you to think about is what sort of positive things, and they can just be like super small things, could you say to the people in your group here that you would, you know, maybe would help them to, you know, to keep on going, give them a little surge of energy and positivity and happiness. So because you don't know who you're going to be saying it to, I want you to just really try to think of things that you could say to like all of each other. You know, it can be things like specifically about a project that you worked on together, about something that you share, you know, out of school, something that you notice about somebody and the way they act with other people or towards you. So, like positive things that you can say to one another. Does that make sense? So we're going to try to like water the flowers tomorrow and see how that goes. And then a second part of beginning anew is what is this part called? The second part can be that you can take a turn if you want to as well, and like express like a hurt that you have or a regret that you have. So it could be that you just kind of want to say something and then like let it go and move forward, right? Because sometimes if you don't express something when you're hurt, or if you kind of are feeling regretful about something that you yourself did, it's hard to kind of move on. Like you might have some guilt or a little bit of like upset or anger towards someone else, or even sometimes yourself. So keep that in mind too. But beginning anew will give us a chance to like water these flowers and, have that positivity. And for me, that other part is almost like pulling the weeds. Like, let's get rid of the bad stuff that we don't need as much and just try to like move forward and go on from there. So if you have anything that fits in those two categories, let's try to think it through and be ready to do that tomorrow. Okay? Does anybody have a question about that? Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay, good. So what we're going to do is today we're going to start with our Estimistry. That's going to be our first math activity of today. So why don't you guys grab a pen and some paper to be ready to do that. And I'm going to get the Estimistry up and ready here. Where is it? I downloaded it, but then it like went somewhere else. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to need to share my screen with you, so I will do that. Oh God, I feel like I have too many things up and going right now, and it's not letting me go to the part that I want to go to. Where are you, Estimistry? That's strange. It's not letting me open it for some reason. Here we go. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. All right, so here we go. So, how many
gummy bears
are in the cup? So go ahead and make your estimate, and then give me a thumbs up when you're ready to share.
Those are not gummy bears. Yes, they are.
I think they're little plastic bears. Okay, thumbs up when you are ready. Okay, Andy.
39.
Okay, Michaela.
43.
Tommy.
25.
Haley.
35.
Okay. I cannot find my cursor right now to scroll down and see where. Oh, what the? Wait a minute. This is not. Something's happening here.
I think it's one of those that like reveals an answer and then it gives you like other options.
Maybe. All right. Before I go back full screen, this lets me see where you guys are. So, Alyssa, what's your estimate?
34.
34. Okay. Amy.
35.
Dylan.
I also said 35.
Okay. Kyler.
36.
Okay. Gideon.
50.
Did you say 50?
Yeah.
Okay. Leah.
54.
Okay. Angel.
She said 35 in
35 in the chat. Okay. And I said 32. Okay. So we have, our range goes from 25 up to 54, but we had 4 people say 35. So that's our mode. Okay. So I'm going to go back to the full screen again and see. 36. Kyler, I think you got it, but our mode was so right there. We were like really right on with that estimating.
I never got a chance to say mine.
Oh no, well, why didn't you speak up, Joey? I'm sorry. What was yours?
It was 39.
39. Thank you. Okay, so we had 2 people then who picked 39. Okay, so let's see here. The next one, all right, knowing that that was 36, make your new estimate. All right, Joey, I'm going to start with you first this time so I don't forget you.
44.
Thank you. Okay. Tommy?
I'm gonna guess 42.
Okay. Alyssa?
45.
Okay. Haley?
42.
All right. Dylan?
44.
Gideon?
46.
All right. Leah?
68.
Okay. Angel? Oh, you might be in the chat again. Okay, 43 for Angel. Mesa?
42.
What's that?
42.
42. Okay. Kyler?
41.
All right. Andy?
45.
45. Amy, did you get to go yet?
No, but mine's 43.
43. Okay. I estimated 48. Is there anybody who hasn't got to go yet? Michaela?
I think 48.
48. Okay. All right. So let's see here. 45. Ooh, we had
Dude, are you
two-
kidding me?
we had 2
I was thinking of saying 45.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like my first win in like months.
Congratulations. All right, here we go. Next one. All right. Okay, Michaela, what do you think?
28.
All right. Joey,
29.
Andy.
29.
Ooh, okay. Amy.
29.
Okay. Kyler.
I'm going to say 29 too.
Okay. Tommy, you there? We'll come back to him. Haley.
30.
Okay, that was mine as well. Dylan.
30.
Okay. Alyssa, did you get to go yet?
No, but I said 30.
30. Okay. Mesa.
29.
29. Okay. Angel. Wait a minute. She might be in chat again. 32. Okay. Leah.
24.
Did you say 34?
24.
24. Okay. Gideon.
26.
26. Okay. And is there anybody who didn't get to go yet? Tommy, what about you?
31.
31. Okay. All right. That's everybody. Let's check it out. I think we can agree that it's definitely less than 36 and 45, it looks like, right? So let's see here. 29. All right. A whole bunch of you guys got that one right.
That's my first one since like the beginning of the year.
Sweet. All right. Here we
And that's
go.
my second win since like months.
Maybe you guys are getting better at estimating. All right. Here we go. Last one. Oh, whoa. Okay. All right. Mesa.
I said 56.
56. Okay. Leah says 64. Alyssa?
53.
3. Okay. Gideon?